Let me show you how you guys can share a YouTube video on your Instagram story. Open up the video which you want to share on YouTube and then click on share button on the video and then click on copy link over here. Once you do that, close your YouTube app and open your Instagram app. Click on the plus button right at the top left under your story and click on camera over here and just click a random photo. Then you want to click on the person with the smiling icon at the top right beside the double A. And then from here, you want to choose the option called the link. So click on link and then paste the link which you just copied from your YouTube video and click on done at the top. Once you do that, basically it shows YouTube. Now you can click on the arrow pointing at the right side at the bottom right corner. Click on share. Click on done. And your Instagram story will be posted with the YouTube video's link. Now they can just click on YouTube over here, click on visit link, and it will take you to the video. That's how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.